$163 line hits. Hello and welcome to our channel, Girls Like Bling Slots, Dana and Nancy. We are on Timberwolf Triple Power. With this game, it's kind of like a standard Timberwolf, except that we have 3 different bonuses that can happen. Timberwolf Rising with that purple bag. We have Timberwolf Gold with the red bag, and Timberwolf Bucks with the green bag. We also have some progressives. They're way up here at the top of the screen. There they are. We got a major at 500, grand at 11,000, minors at 100. I'm not sure if those are gonna change. I'm on an ASIN bet, so I think they'll remain the same. Not sure if they change, if we were to change our bet or not. We are gonna start out at 80 cents once I can get this lined up. And then we're gonna probably work our way up the board. It's a penny machine, and we have an 80-cent bet, $1.60, $2.40, $3.20, or $4. Probably won't go as high as $4. We might go up to $3.20, but let's see if we can trigger something here on the 80-cent bet. Let me go ahead and get us started. Whoa. So, just like regular Timberwolf, to trigger one of those games, you still need the regular symbols. You have the owls or the moons, one in the first 3 columns to trigger. You can see that each one of them are outlined with a different color, which does correspond with the color of the bag up on top. So we get a little bit more of that in the screen. Still see the denoms down below. We like it when we hear that ding ding because we're hoping for something. So the money just grew, and even though we need 3 in the first 3 rows to trigger the bonus, free spin bonus, you can also, when you land these, the color corresponds and it can trigger the bonus randomly. I've had good success on this game in the past, so we are hoping for some wins today to keep us playing. I think what we'll do is play to 90, and if we haven't triggered a bonus, we're gonna creep up the row here. What's really cool is if you can pop all 3 bags at the same time. It's like a super bonus. It's kind of like the other bag bonuses that are out there. And we want to trigger one of those bags of bling. Come on, let's get that bonus. So we're gonna move up to $1.60. I think when I played this game in the past, I think $1.60 or $2.40 is kind of the sweet bet for myself when I seem to win. Let's see what we can do here. $1.60 back. Mom, have you played this game before when won bonuses? I don't remember.
The old Timberwolf is one of my favorites, but I don't know that I've played this new one.
And we've had these for a few months here at our local, and we are at our local, which is Spirit Mountain Casino in Oregon.
Oh, come on.
Just recently received permission to record here, and we are just stoked about that because it's one of our favorite places to go. We love playing slots together. Now we needed one more of the free spin symbols. We needed this moon over here. We needed either a moon or owl in that first row. We would have triggered the bonus naturally. But I'll take a natural or a random right now. I think we'll go up to 240. The free spin bonus is fun because when you land the moons, it can be a moon with a times symbol on it. And you can have a really great line hit with that. Come on, we got it. All right, hit that thumbs up. So we got a $6 trigger, and we got the Timber Wolf Rising. All right, 12 free spins. Whoops. Dollar amounts down there. Look at that on our first spin. What did we get? $10.50. And we can re-trigger. Come on, let's get some good line hits. There's the moon with the time symbol, and we re-triggered because we got the moon with the owl. No more games. We now have 24, and we've only done 4 of 24. We may just be getting lots of money back. We want some big win bonuses here. I was so focused on telling you that that was a time symbol that I forgot that it was triggering the bonus again. And like I said, that 240 bet, that's a sweet spot. And I'm sorry, I can't zoom out anymore. There is a top symbol that's in the center, but then I can't show the money adding up, so we're just gonna leave it here. And we're just gonna let it add up naturally. All the bears. Nothing there. Come on, no dead spins. Come on. Line hits. Come on. There's some. Oh wow, that's a big one. There's some bling. All right. That's $163 line hit. Wow, that's amazing. $163. She didn't hear me say that.
Oh, I didn't.
You were singing, we're in the money. I know, you didn't react because you were singing. Wow, that's only game 8 of 24, everyone.
I see a hand pay.
Oh, wouldn't that be amazing? I haven't had a hand pay on this game yet, but that would be so fun today. But we need to have a line hit to make that happen.
Halfway through.
Oh, wow.
Times 3 what?
$37.50. So this is an aristocrat machine, and I love it when you can see what your line hit is, the total. Nice, look at that. I had a feeling this was going to be a winner, giving us some bling.
I love this game. It's one of my favorite games. Not the new one. I haven't played it before.
But this new one is going to be your favorite one now.
Maybe now, yeah.
24. Let's win that major or the grand. Getting the major would give us a hand pay. I'm not sure we're eligible though. You are loving this big win. Please give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Just gonna keep letting it add up. Watching the replay here, have you played this game before? What do you think about it? Have you had a big win? Oh, would have loved that re-trigger. Didn't get the wolves. Come on. Come on, let's get another line hit. Let's get at least 6. Let's go. Trigger. Oh, we missed that moon for all the bears. That would have been amazing. It was either a 3 or 5. A couple more games. Come on. Oh, there we go. A little bit more. Two more games. Last game, give us a winner. Oh, come on, times 5, come on. $530. I would call that a winner. We are so incredibly happy for that. We're gonna give it 2 backup spins, 1 for each of us. Go ahead, Mom. Oh, that would have been amazing to re-trigger. Last spin. Okay, we didn't trigger anything else. That was an amazing bonus. Thank you so much for watching. We really, really appreciate it. And until the next video comes out, we'll see you later.